Hello everyone. So in this session I will be explaining the most important topics of Indian Constitution and the number of questions we can expect from each topic. So in the last video we have already explained the syllabus distribution of Kerala Law Entrance Examination, like the complete syllabus and the breakdown of number of questions we can expect from each sections. So when we look in the Indian Constitution, the first one is you need to have a basic understanding of the historic events, like what all events have led to the formation of Indian Constitution, like the drafting committee, Constituent Assembly, Government of India Act 1935, all these things. We can expect one or two questions from that part also. So when we look into Constitution part, the first one is like the first one you need to look is the preamble. We can expect around 2 or 3 questions from the preamble part, especially the 42nd amendment related question, the words like secular, socialist. So we can expect that type of questions also. If you look into the previous year question papers, you can get a familiarity of that type of questions. Second one is the citizenship part. We can expect 1 or 2 questions. So that will be mostly direct questions. And the third one is fundamental right part. 3 to 10 questions can be expected from that part, and that can be spread out. It is a very important topic in law entrance examination, whether it is CLAT, DULLB or any other examination. Fundamental right is a very important part, especially writs and also article 14, 15, 16, 17, etc. So from writs alone you can expect 3 or 4 questions repeatedly in each year, whether 2021, 22, 2020 also. 2 to 3 questions are asked from the writs part. How many number of writs are there, meaning of each writs, this type of questions you can expect from that part. And next one, the president and vice president. So in this part the most important thing is you need to understand, you need to have a clear idea of what are the qualifications of Indian president and the age and also the powers of Indian president. From both these part, qualifications and powers, we can expect questions. Most of the questions are related to powers, but from Indian president's qualification parts also you can expect questions. So next one, vice president, age of vice president, who is in case if a person need to be appointed as a vice president, what all are the qualification he need to possess. Vice president is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. That's a very important point, and you can expect it as question also. Next one, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So you need to have an idea of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, the age of the minimum age of a person if he need to contest in Lok Sabha election or Rajya Sabha election, the tenure of Lok Sabha, the tenure of Rajya Sabha, that type of questions you can expect from that part. Next one is judiciary, the establishment of Supreme Court, the qualifications of Chief Justice of India, the qualifications of other Supreme Court judges, the retirement age of Supreme Court Chief Justice, the retirement age of other Supreme Court judges, the total number of judges in Supreme Court. That is also a very relevant point. What is the total number of judges of Supreme Court? And next one, you can expect question. You can expect around 5 to 6 questions from the Supreme Court, like from the judiciary part, and also from Indian president part. You can expect around 3 or 4 questions. 3 or 4 questions are repeatedly asked from that part. So mostly it may be related to the powers or it may be related to the qualifications. So you need to have a very clear understanding of that part. So comptroller and auditor general, you can also expect questions. And next one, the governor. So from governor part also you can expect around 2 to 3 questions. So and also from high court part you can expect around 1 or 2 questions. So what are the qualifications of, if a person need to be appointed as a high court judge, what are the qualifications he need to possess. Questions can be expected from the high court chief justice part also. So pardoning powers of governor is a very important point. Pardoning powers of president is also a very important point. So you can expect question from that part also. So and you need And remember one thing, Kerala High Court has jurisdiction of Lakshadweep. That is a very important point. I think in 2020 or 2019 it appeared as a question. Kerala High Court has jurisdiction of Lakshadweep. Next one, emergency and related provisions. So Article 360 is important. Article 368 is also important. So financial emergencies repeatedly asked in questions, and also how many times national emergency has been declared. That is also a very important point. So this is the overview of Indian Constitution and very relevant topics you need to cover in the Kerala Law Entrance examination related to Indian Constitution. These number of questions can vary, but these all are very important topics, and repeatedly questions has been appearing from these topics. So if you are preparing, you need to give clear understanding of these topics. And if you are interested in joining our classes are ongoing, and my number and other details are also given under this description video. If you are interested to join the classes, you can join for the classes. So we will be giving all the PDF notes, mocks, and everything you need to prepare for the upcoming Kerala Law Entrance examination. That will also help you to have a clear understanding about the syllabus and everything. So, and also we have a Telegram group, and also the link is also given in the description box. If you are interested, you can join that Telegram channel also. Mostly previous year questions and some other current affairs notes are in the Telegram channel. So thank you.